Hey, one quick tip here, you know, with running talons, especially this time of year, we're putting our talons down in, let's say, 3, 4, 5 feet of water chasing crappies. You know, you notice that they go down a lot further than that. You can see your lights on the back as you drop them down. They go down 9, 12 feet, whatever. They're going into the sediment, they're going into the silt. So you want to make sure when you're done doing that, that you clear your talons. And all you do is I get out here, I'm in about 35 feet of water. I'm gonna drop my talons all the way down there. You can see they both hit the bottom. And I'm just gonna go slow. I'm not gonna go fast. You don't wanna run fast with these things down. But I just go nice and slow, just a few miles an hour. And all that really does is it clears off any of the sediment, the debris, the dirt, the muck. You kind of let them clear out a little bit. You're cleaning them off. And after you run a little bit, I open them, put them back up, and that just helps you take care of the wear and tear on those talons, helps you avoid them from getting stuck, any future issues having to get them fixed and replaced. So there you go, that simple. Drop them down, clear them off, get back fishing.